One last way I want to show you how to solve this problem is to use the tens below method. We had looked at making the math per picture, making it organized, stacking our tens and our ones, and we got a total for this. We did make a new 10 and a new 100 in this problem. The last thing I want to show you is the tens below method. This is a lot like the way that your mom and dad learned it in school. The only difference is instead of putting the tens on top and carrying the 10 at the top, we're putting it below. Research says that kids forget it when it's on top. That's why research says we put it below instead. The only difference is that kids see it better, and I think you'll see what I mean. Okay, so we're going to stack up our numbers. We had 39 plus 84. Again, tens carefully stacked together, ones stacked together. Okay, I'm going to scoot my board up again so that you can see. Okay, when I'm doing my totals, my tens below, I'm going to put them just like the traditional way we learned it. I'm going to start with my ones column. I'm actually going to start with my weakest place value. I'm going to use touch dots. I'm going to grab my big guy and count on 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I know about the number 13. I know 13 is made of 1 10 and 3 ones. I'm going to use that information to help me line this up. I can only put my ones information in this one spot, 3 ones. My 10 has to go in the 10 side. Instead of putting it on top, I'm going to put it down here. That's just going to help me remember it. So now I'm ready to total my tens. I'm going to start with my big guy, 8. I'm going to touch point my 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. My problem is solved. 123, and that matches my total from my proof picture. Very, very simple. And we did show over here our understanding of the 13. One of them was, the 1 was a 10 and the 3 was the ones, which really shows your thinking. I encourage you to show this in your picture if you use the tens below strategy. If you don't show it, a teacher's going to ask you to explain it. How did you know to only put the 3 there? Why did you put that 1 over there? What is that 1? Is it just a 1 or is it a 10? So if you just do this, it'll save you a lot of time because the teacher can walk by, take a peek at your paper, and they can see right here what you were thinking. How you understood that the 13 is made out of 1 10 and 3 ones, and that you split them up because of that when you were totaling.